Hello, welcome to the LMRTek video series. Today's topic is installing Mac OS X Snow Leopard. Let's go over some important notes first. Make sure all of your data is backed up before you begin this process. This will allow you to recover in case something goes wrong and to protect all of your work. You should allow for at least 1 hour for this process. Some computer times may vary depending on the processor speed and the amount of memory installed. Your computer will reboot up to 3 times before the installation is complete. Remember, if you are uncomfortable with replacing your operating system, please contact the nearest Apple store for assistance. Only refer to this video for informational use. Let's begin. Enter your Snow Leopard DVD into the drive tray. Click the Install Mac OS X application icon. Click Continue to get started. Click Agree for the software license agreement. Select the hard drive to use during the installation, then click Install. This is the point of no return. Select Install to continue with the upgrade process. Enter your administrative name and password, then click OK. Process has begun. My MacBook took about 1 hour to complete. Here is the first automatic reboot. We now will wait until this finishes. Your system may hold here for a few minutes. Here is the second automatic reboot. Click Restart or wait the 30 seconds. Log into your desktop. You should now see the Setup Assistant welcome video play, like this. You are now ready to use Snow Leopard after clicking Continue. Stay tuned for more video tips with more features of Snow Leopard in the future.